Here's a cool one. Xiaomi can fully charge a phone in the time it takes an iPhone to go from 99% to 100. How about that? For an inflammatory headline, Android police. They don't have to worry about it. See, they got Android in the headline on the name of the site, so they can just say stuff like this. Nobody is upset about it. It's all Android people.
Yeah, there's no hate here.
Anyway, yes, that is real. We're talking about 200-watt wired charging. That is a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. They showed it off in video. 4,000 milliamp hour battery, charged to 100% in 8 minutes.
You see like a little bit of the smoke coming out.
And you know, I get excited when the animation for the charge amount is going up in real time.
Yeah.
This is another level to it. This is out of control. Now, they did speed it up for the purpose of the video. This is a minute-long clip.
So it is wired, and there's a wireless version too.
Yeah, so the wired, they actually got a crazy rate out of it. Like, I mean, look at this. Look at it going up. Stop it. 50% in 3 minutes. I need this technology. People are like, no, you're gonna ruin your. I don't care. I'm gonna ruin my thing. I'll have another phone, but before it even matters, I just need when I'm low. I need a quick move so I can be out the door and also forget about the practicality of it. Just the cool factor of plugging it in and seeing that kind of rapid pace to it. We need to see the equivalent for electric cars. This is what we need.
Yes.
I mean, obviously, you need more than 200 watts for the electric car. But
Xiaomi needs to work with Tesla.
But I want to top up the car in 8 minutes. And then we're golden. Anyway, so it's also 120-watt wireless charging, which will do 15 minutes for your whole phone wirelessly. That's equally amazing. Now, they've been doing these demos. They keep upgrading the situation. And this is not a product that's available at the moment. But they do sell 120-watt wired charging for the Mi 10 Ultra. So that's a real thing. It will end up in a product, as crazy as that is. At some point, you're gonna be able to purchase, and probably not that far in the future, a 200-watt capable device from Xiaomi.
Impressive.
And you're gonna charge it up in 8 minutes.